So if you have form submissions, then what you can actually do is you can download those submission data in Excel sheet or other formats as well. So for that, you can see that I am in the My Form section where I can see like I have 20 submissions here and 3 submissions here. So let's just go ahead and click on the 3 submissions. Then it'll open up the submissions that I have neatly arranged out in tables. So you can see that this is the table view of Jotform itself. So now you can see over here on the right hand side, download all is an option. So if I were to go ahead and click, you can see that I can go ahead and download this out in different format right here. I can even go ahead and download out attachments, but there's no attachment in the form, so it says not available. But you can download this out as a PDF, as you can see. It's creating a zip file accordingly, as you can see right here, and it'll mail out to you. You can download this out as an Excel as well, which is downloaded instantly. So you can see that it's downloading right here, and then it opens up the Explorer window. So you can go ahead and save it out, and then you can see that this is the Excel file. So if you were to go ahead and then access it out, this is what you have. As you can see, you got the downloaded form data right here as an Excel sheet. But if you want a plain CSV file, there's an option for that as well. So you can go ahead and click right here just like this, and as you do that, what happens is that it will get converted into a CSV file, and then same goes right here. It'll prompt you to go ahead and choose a location to download, and once you do that, you can see that this is what you have. It is downloaded out right here just like this. So that is basically how you can go ahead and download out submission data from Jotform just like that. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe